How to fix the character AI missing chats. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, make sure you have updated your character AI application and launch it. Now go to your recent chat section to view it. If your chat seems missing, you have to go to your profile and look under different categories. For this, tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner. Tapping on it should take you to your profile. Here are three different sections. The first one is public, the second one is unlisted, and the third is private. Public shows visible shared chats, private shows chats marked as private, and unlisted chats shows those that are hidden or unlisted. However, if it is not here, it is preferred to use the website version. For this, you can go to any of your preferred browser and search for character.ai. Now that you reached the website version, log in and you should definitely find your hidden chats here. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.